It's important to know the words to this song. Stop. We are not going to disrespect Rick Springfield with that kind of bullshit response. Okay? Now we're going to do this again, and there's going to be some screaming in this room. Or Rick Springfield will come in here and kick somebody's ass. Now let's try it again.
All the kids and the treasure and all that. It is like sloth.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Jessie is a friend. Yeah, I know he's got a good friend of mine. Only the something's changing. Jessie's got herself a girl I want to live in mine. Cause she's watching it with those eyes, and she's loving with that body. I just know it. Holding her in his arms late night. You know I wish that I could touch this girl. I wish that I could touch this girl. Where can I find a woman like that? I want to hear all the slutty women scream. Played around with some rain. That doesn't seem to be a reason to change. Well, I feel so dirty when it starts up with you. Won't tell me that I love it, but the woman's about to move. She's watching it with those eyes, and she's loving with that body. I just know it. Only you and it's on the way late night. You know I wish that I could touch these girls. I wish that I could touch these girls. Where can I find a woman like that? Touch these girls. I wish that I could touch these girls. Where can I find a woman? Where can I find a woman like that? It works, doesn't it? You gotta dig the songs the chicks dig. It's very important. So, all right, I'll tell you what we're gonna do.